I tied his hands. So that at that time he was sleeping. I tied his hands so that by the time he wakes up, he'll be able to give me water.
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back for this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. My people, they say one does not the end. Now for this matter, so when me don't see am full, as in the matter carry full chest come out. Chidinma don't come out, can't give another version for waiting take happen. My people, if you like this matter, beg subscribe for this channel, turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. My people, una sabi say some weeks ago, this Chidinma come out, can't tell us say, oh, this Michael Usifo Ataga be one chop her more, and she was not ready. Say she be tired before she take defend herself, my people. But now another matter don't take her out, as in the version for what she talked before, no be the same thing she can't dey tell us. My people, true they supposed carry check this girl, because matter where it dey her belle, my people, we go shock if everything take her out. She can't talk say no be her friend or take introduce Michael Usifo Ataga to her. Say na Michael Usifo Ataga in friend take actually introduce Michael to her. My people, every day the matter, he get the way they get the, he can't get K-leg, my people. He can't get K-leg full ground. And since she talk say she tie Michael in hand because say she be want money from him. As in, say the first day when she come meet this man self, the man take chop her for more on top. As in waiting the place, she say she be need money for take do business, and she want do na online classes. She no one can go for school, go sit down, my people. I see this matter, it feel as if my chest can't dey pain me, as if I know if it take breath, my people. Waiting they happen. 21-year-old girl can't take heart. Now for what side can't they do this kind of thing? My people, let this girl matter, there is still more to come, as in the matter never finish. If they take investigate this girl well, she talk say she be no say this man na married man. She can't talk say she can't use knife take bullet the man, take Lego the man, take send the man there, send go RIP, because say the man no accept to give her money where she take ask her, my people. She talk say yes, they be there on drugs, the loud and SK, as before she don't talk she said the man as the man take the sleep after when they don't come chop pomo Angola, the man don't tire, he said don't take drugs, take put on top, the man don't tire, my people. Now dead the man come the sleep, as the man come the sleep, she take tie the man's hands so that the man go take accept every waiting where she take talk. But the man self be get small power, so they take the fight, they fight, my people. Now for day the girl take knife here, it take stab the man anyhow. My people, I see the matter, said no. What did they happen? As in, where are we going to? Where this generation? What's left for us to take see from this generation? What of the father self we don't talk say my daughter enough he do this kind thing? As in, make you not chop Panadol for another person headache, because you don't know the exact cause of the headache. As in, you don't know what they cause this headache. So my people, my people, I go leave the video for you. Make una watch her, make una listen how she take the confess, can't take the talk say she take tie the man's hands. Yes, my beautiful people, but after that make you not forget to subscribe, make you not forget to turn on our post notification and leave comments for comment section. I go see you now for my next video. As of now, I'm out. Stay blessed. Ciao.
We met ourselves at an outing. That is how we met. That was the first day we met. That was the first time we slept together. The person that introduced me to him was his friend, who is my is a boyfriend to a friend of mine. Then I killed him and I stole his money. That's because I needed the money. So when he was gone, I just took everything and left.
Because I don't know, saw some items with you like driver's license and some other items like UBA card, ATM cards. Is it true?
Yeah, his driver license was with me. I was scared that they're going to catch me.
So in your whole heart, your whole mind, your whole thought, you felt you weren't going to be caught after you had killed him and left the place?
I don't know, but something in me told me that they will come to me, but I wanted to steal from him, but it was not allowing me to. So we got into a fight, and that was when I stabbed him. I tied his hands, so that at that time he was sleeping. I tied his hands so that by the time he wakes up, he'll be able to give me what I want, and I'll go. We were fighting. My hands, the knife was at the back. I was leaning at the cabinet. That was when I stabbed him. On the neck.
How many stabs?
I didn't count. I was on drugs, and also during the struggle that he was trying to strangle me. That was when I used the knife on him. It was already high. It was already high, so he didn't feel it, and it took more than I did. The drugs were already requested, so I went to collect it outside. He sent me money already to order for the drug, but the drug didn't arrive on that Monday, so it arrived on Tuesday. We also smoked and drank. The incident happened early in the morning, so I got myself in the afternoon. Towards afternoon was when I got myself. By that time, he already passed out. Because of my business, I won't have time for going to school. I didn't want to be going for physical classes. I wanted online schooling.
So don't you think if you had asked him, please, sir, or my love, after you called him, I need money from you for this, do you think he would have been so stingy not to give to you?
No, he wouldn't.
I'm going to you. Why did you say so?
I asked him, but he said he didn't have.
Before you went to the hotel to sleep with him, did you agree on any price, like, I'm going to spend 3 days with you in the hotel, are you going to pay me such amount? Did you had any of such agreements?
No.
Did you have any of such agreements?
No, I didn't. No, it's not like he didn't mention he had a wife, or I didn't know that he was mine. No, we were not looking forward to get married. I make decisions that sometimes I need someone to talk to, but I just don't see it. I just do it. My advice is they should take a good turn in their life and do not associate with anything bad. Always stay positive and stay close to God.